How to hide Instagram chats without deleting them. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, to hide your Instagram chats without deleting them, you'll need to restrict the messages. I'll show you how to do it. Let's dive right in. Open up an Instagram app and then go to the DM section and then just find the chat that you want to hide. So tap on the profile at the top, then you'll be able to see three dots. Just tap on it and then tap on restrict. Now, once you do it, the message will be hidden. And to find the message, you will need to go to the request section at the top right. So here you'll find the restricted messages once they message you. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.